Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTR 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the moon icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and to enable the mode simply tap on this icon. The icon will change the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode. To disable it, open the quick panel again, tap on the icon, and it will go back to the gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And then you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. Okay, you can also enable and disable the mode through the settings. So we can press the upper button on the home screen to open the menu, then scroll down and find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the option called preferences, tap on it, and here we have option Do Not Disturb. Tap on it, of course, and here we can enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode by tapping on the switch. You can also enable the schedule for it. So basically it will turn on automatically and turn off automatically at certain times. So you can tap on auto enable. Here you can select scheduled and then tap on this arrow next to it. And now we can set the start time on basically the hour on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on. You can do it by swiping up and down on hours and minutes. Then the end time. This is the time on which the mode will be turning off, and then tap on the check mark. And now my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on at 5 past 9 p.m. and then turning off at 3 past 12 p.m. or a.m. I believe. Yeah, it's a.m. My bad. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face, or rather upper button. But I forgot to mention, you can also enable the Smart DND option. This option, basically if you enable it and you're wearing your watch during sleep, it will detect the moment when you go to sleep, and it will turn on the Do Not Disturb mode automatically, and when you wake up it will turn it off. Okay, and now we can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.